So this is my Hollywood secret weapon, created from my #1 treatment in the clinic called DermalQuench. This took me 5 years in development based off of my #1 treatment in the clinic that all my celebrities line up for Oscars, Emmys. This is the product that you can take home and use on a morning and nightly basis to get incredible results. This is the top hydrator in the entire world, and let me tell you why. This is patented by me, and the reason being is because you have to shake it, and inside of this bottle is oxygen, okay? And so you wanna mix the hyaluronic acid with the oxygen at each spray. The key ingredient in this product is hyaluronic acid, and it's being pushed into the skin through pure oxygen. Why does that make a change? Because if your skin is hydrated, you're gonna have plump, dewy, gorgeous skin that's not gonna crack and cause wrinkles. This is the first thing that goes on clean, dry skin. Put it directly onto the skin, and then I pull it up into the eye area and actually onto the eyelid. And then you're gonna follow with your moisturizer that's best for your skin type. So I always say, shake and spray the wrinkles away.